So number one, do I know about the other platforms like CDbaby and Tunecore or whatever? Yes. And as you can see right here, I don't even use them no more. This was a long time ago. And I didn't receive no residuals for it. I paid for it for a couple of years or whatever. But nah, I don't use that as much as I use Distrokid. Distrokid got way too many benefits, and it comes with way too much that you get. Yeah, it's too much to offer for the price. I'm sorry. What it do? You already know what it is. It's your boy SIJ. This sounds is guy, entertainment, news, media, comedy. Look, we ain't even got time for all that. Basically, you're an artist, right? I mean, you a producer, right? Or a self-proclaimed producer. But the fact is, you a producer or you an artist. You a person who been releasing music, right? But you ain't got no music on Spotify or SoundCloud and that. Like, they making fun of you and shit. Chicks is like, I couldn't spot it if I tried. Like, they can't even find it nowhere. You know, it's only on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Everybody and their mom got a damn YouTube. I think my grandma even have a damn YouTube channel. You feel what I'm saying? So the thing is, and if you like me, you drop so much music that you got two different SoundClouds under the same name, but you got one and then you got two or whatever. You feel me? So this video is for people who've been releasing music, or they a producer who help other people produce music, or you make beats, or just make beats, or you just make lyrics, whatever. Or you got a little podcast going that's pretty short. Doesn't matter. This video is for people that need help and actually want to get their music on Spotify and all the major platforms other than the free ones, you know, that still is dry as Jesus sandals after he walk on water. But we ain't gonna talk about that. This is how to help you get your music out there. This is trying to help you get money. If you ain't about getting money, get the hell on up out of here. If you use the platform once and then, you know, complaining or never really pushed your music, never really put nothing in promotion, never really tried, and you just thought you could throw it on there and do it, no, this ain't for you. You know what I mean? You can get the step in as well. This is for the hustlers, the ones who's always gonna make music, got a passion for it, the ones who've been helping other people make music, got a passion for it, and just never gonna stop or know the game or know what they need to do, but just need to get their foot in the door and want to know how the hell y'all be getting your music on SoundCloud. I mean, how y'all be getting your music on Spotify and you know, SoundClick and Pinterest, every platform, just like the artist. This video is for you. And how do you get paid for it, how much you get paid, not even streaming and all that, and what you can do to actually get money as well, even if you're not making money from music. Now you got a way you could look. I'm gonna just go into it now. You've been using free beats for a while, right? Now, let's say you're an artist, right? You've been using free beats for a while. Now, let me go down the bad things that can happen when you're an artist who use free beats, because I go over this all the time on my channel. I got a plethora of videos talking about it. Basically, you've been using the free beats. You can't get paid for performing. You know what I'm saying? So, and if you even get caught performing it, I think they could actually tax you for it. You dig what I'm saying? Not only that, you can't monetize your song. You can't get no residuals for it. You can't put it on none of the major platforms if you use YouTube beats or free YouTube beats, somebody that you know already know how to go. You get copyrighted strike for using the beat, and you could possibly get it taken down or whatever. And if I buy the beat that you're using for free, you ever see a free beat go sold? Anyway, I'm the guy who make it go sold. But though, if I buy your beat, listen, I can take your song down. That's number one. Or if your song popping, they got 1 million views, but you use a free beat, and I made the beat, or I bought that beat, I can now take and literally tax your whole channel and get every little piece of money that you made from that video or whatever you made that made it popping, and that'll be mine now. You feel me? On all the major platforms that you use it on, wherever it's a copyright strike, I could now take and like, yo, this is the lane for you. This is the lane of helping you understand what becoming an artist or being an artist is actually all about. Now let me explain something to you. This is called Distrokid. Distrokid, basically, let me tell you the importance. If you used it before and didn't understand it, or if you use it now, basically sign up for Distrokid. Straight off of the bat. I don't care about, oh, you get money for affiliate. No, this ain't about affiliate. This is about people being an idiot and not understanding the power that's in your hands right now. You feel me? I'm not Russ or nothing, but I damn sure can tell you I get paid for my music, thank God now, and I'm trying to help you as well. No, basically, you could be a regular middleman sitting in your crib making music, and you bought that one beat. You bought one beat. You got one free beat, and it's lit. And you gonna use it. Your brother gave it to you. Your cousin gave it to you. It don't matter. Take that shit down off of YouTube for free right now, so you can actually get paid for it. I'm about to tell you how. Now, basically, you sign up for Distrokid. You feel me? I think it's like a dub. I done spent the dub like it's once a year. You dig me? I done wasted a dub on a dub. I done wasted a dub on dumb stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Like it's a dub. Like get your life together if you got a problem with that. I don't know if you mad that I like probably like get some, but listen, you understand what I'm saying? You spend a dub, you could release not like TuneCore where you could only for $10 you release one song and then you gotta pay for all the extra stuff. No, Distrokid, not only do you spend a dub to get your songs on all the platforms within like a week, on all the platforms, all as you can see, all my songs that I actually made. Listen, I got TuneCore. You dig what I'm saying? That was like damn near 2-3 years ago. I done stopped using TuneCore. I'm not paying $10 to keep on releasing tracks and doing all this extra stuff. Niz. You dig what I'm saying? But as you can see right here, I actually used this. My last track I just released the other day off of this album because now I can release an album or whatever. And as you can see right here, through Distrokid, I'm able to number one make my channel an artist channel. Now my little channel was an artist channel. Number two, I'm able to, every track on here is available everywhere on every platform. You dig what I'm saying? Except for BDE. And then we got all the tracks. If I didn't have my YouTube channel, I could teach y'all about the YouTube hustle, but just not in this video. Maybe another video. If somebody say in the comment section they want me to, I'll teach you that too, or whatever. It's quite a few hustles that I know that you can actually benefit from. But anyway, right here, right? You see that this isn't on my channel. These videos, hold on. Yeah, these videos, no, these are not on my channel. You know that when you release a song on all the platforms, it go to its own separate channel that's named you, that they make up themselves. Well, now every view that go to these is on my main channel because now it's an artist channel and they know that I'm the artist. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't gotta worry about no BS. All I know is now every time I release a track, boom, it's on every platform in about a week, and I'm able to get the residuals for it, and I'm gonna show you what I mean right now. But anyway, yeah, screw TuneCore. I don't even use TuneCore no more. Sorry, CDbaby and all that. Nah, because Distrokid has just got too many benefits. As you can see right here, when you release a track, you go down here, you fix your lyrics up or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can actually, and now your lyrics is when your song is played on all the platforms. Boom. I mean, I done hooked my lyrics up. I done really went down and made, as you can see, I actually went and put every lyric. So that's lit. So now all the platforms got my lyrics. As you can see right there, it shows you everything that is on right now. You could go to all those platforms and all the countries or whatever, and you can actually find my song or whatever when you look it up. As you can see right there, other benefits. Hold on. As you can see right here, other benefits. You got the videos that use your song. You know what I'm saying? You get that bread for anybody who used your song. And you actually are the label. You are the artist. You are whatever. As long as you upgrade, let me show you the upgrades. If you go over here, hurry up, and I get money back for upgrade, and that's number one. So if I paid for musician and then I want to be a musician plus, then I just pay a couple more dollars on musician plus. And that's my current plan, by the way. If I want to be labeled, then it give me the money back that I paid. They gives you the difference back. So if you want to become a label, then you can become a label. You want to be an artist, you become an artist. You feel what I'm saying? And as you can see right here, look, it's too many benefits. You got, you know what I mean, Spotify. You got the verified checklist on Spotify. That's number one. And you got your account on Spotify where you can go and check out the stats and everything. You got you can upload your lyrics. You can synchronize your lyrics to Instagram. You can daily sales stat. You get all that. You feel what I'm saying? And as you can see on the label, you get quite a few benefits as well. And you can put those artists on that label plan. Now, I like a lot of stuff that it come with. Like it got leave a legacy, which means Distrokid will never delete your single. You dig what I'm saying? So now I will always get paid for that single if it ever get popping. So definitely go and check out SIG, not a hoe, just a freak. But anyway, it's on Tidal. You feel what I'm saying? It got the store maximizer, which means no matter how many stores, if new stores is created, my song will automatically get sent there. It got the YouTube content ID, which means if anybody even think of using a beat or a snippet or whatever, Give me that. You feel what I'm saying? Unless I put it down there where I could put the content ID, put it in the description. That's how you able to use it through my permission or whatever. Or I would be the company behind it that would take it down. That's pretty lit because it happened to me so many times. I'm tired of it, and it probably happened to you too, and you tired of it. Well, this is how it would be happening. You feel me? And anyway, it's on Shazam, iPhone, everywhere. You dig what I'm saying? So let's go into more qualities that it have of actually signing up for Distrokid. Now, when you want to upload a song, boom, you could take it off the stores if you don't want it on some stores. You know what I mean? Maybe you hiding from some chick who use Tidal all the time. You're like, I don't even want her to know I'm on Tidal. I don't know what you're going through. But anyway, you know, if you're releasing one song or multiple songs or album, it got you for that. Free. You just pay one time, not multiple times like TuneCore, which is why nobody want to use no damn TuneCore. But anyway, you just pay one time and you can release as many songs as you want all year. You feel me? That's pretty lit. You can set the date to when you wanted to upload or whatever. You throw your little thumbnail up there, your little not thumbnail. Yeah, your little thumbnail or whatever. Your artwork. You know what I'm saying? Easy peasy. So that's lit. Then you got, you know what I'm saying? It create phone numbers for you if you want somebody to just contact you through a phone for that song or whatever. Like, you could do too much. It's too much. YouTube content ID. Story maximizer. Social phone number. They give you a phone number so they can contact with you just for business. Like if you a so-called manager or whatever. You feel me? Title. Adobe. I don't even use none of that stuff. Leave a legacy. Yeah, you might have to pay some extra bread if you want that, but that's up to you if you want that. You feel me? You might not want that. You dig? It's up to you. But your store, it definitely will be in every store. I will say that. Go over here. It's even more to it. Get heard now. Boom. You feel me? Promote yourself. Boom. Hyper follow. Let me show you what that is. It creates a link. You feel me? It creates a link for you. And you can actually just click one button and it'll take you right to the link. So let me show you this. Boom. Never been so free. Hyper follow. Oh, that's pretty lit. I didn't even know that. Oh, here we go. This is a hyper follow link. You feel me? Took it right off TuneCore, by the way. Haha. One click, and no matter where my song is at, all you gotta do, I could just send people this. Boom. And they can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Like, that's too lit. I'm sorry. It's too many benefits. Then we go back over here. You know what I'm saying? Then we go back over here. Back to the I done lost my own damn. I done lost track of where I was going. Back over here. Enhanced. Hold on. Special access. Now you definitely got the professional Wi-Fi and all that. You know what I mean? Apple and all that. YouTube content, ID and all that. You feel me? You can make yourself a YouTube channel artist. My fault. YouTube channel artist and YouTube official artist channel and all that, where you got control over where your music go and all that good stuff, and it be on your main page. Twitch, everything, man. Or artist bio for now. You ain't gotta just throw it up there raw dog on Spotify. You dig me? And other benefits as well, but you probably signed up already. Enhance, you got the lyrics, you got the credits, you got the Dave. I don't know who Dave is, but that's lit too. You feel what I'm saying? Protect your music. We're gonna go down here to protect your music. Boom. Protect your music from unauthorized release. Boom. You your own label. I mean, a label and release. No, it didn't. Well, you getting paid for it regardless. Free unlimited backup to your music. Like, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Oh, you don't want your music on there no more? Take it down. Spotify. Apple. YouTube allow us. Oh, yeah? You use my video? Not without my permission.